Hello, welcome to VK's Kitchen and Craft. Today we are making Shimla Mirch Potato Sabji or bell pepper potato curry. For this recipe, we're going to need green bell pepper or Shimla Mirch, potatoes, onion, tomatoes, ginger, salt, Heeng powder or Asafoetida, red chili pepper, turmeric powder, Methi leaves or Fenugreek leaves, Garam Masala, and oil. Okay, let's turn on the stove. So we're gonna add our oil. You can use any oil. I'm using mustard oil today because I feel like it's more spicier when you cook in that. But one thing, if you're using mustard oil, we need to heat it up until you can see the little smoky in there. Otherwise, you'll feel the bitter when you eat it. You will taste the bitterness in there. You can cook your Shimla Mirch in different ways, and today we're gonna do a little bit fried away. And if you don't have time, you can just use regular. I will show you for the next. I think our oil is okay. We're gonna put our potatoes in there because we're gonna shallow fry them. It makes entire difference in there if you cook a little bit before you actually cooking. Or we can add everything in there if we want to, but I think if you cook one thing at a time is better. We're gonna add our Shimla Mirch, or some people call it capsicum. I don't. It's every area in India they call different things. We call Shimla Mirch. Shimla is a one particular place. It's really beautiful in Himachal Pradesh. It's mountain area. It's really pretty. That's the name of that place. I don't know. This pepper gets the name from there. Mirch means pepper. Shimla means Shimla, the place. And that place is beautiful. We're not really frying it, we just basically sauteing them. If you don't want to shallow fry, you can skip that. Then I will tell you later how you do it if you're not. You can use any oil. When you're taking out the bell pepper, make sure you're careful because it has extra oil in the pan that might be hurt you, this little things getting out from the pan. So okay, so I lower the heat when I'm taking out. So this is good. Okay, at this point we can add our Heeng. I'm not using more oil because it's already having enough oil in there. Then we add our onions. Now you can move back your heat up because we're cooking it now. There is a multiple ways to cook your Shimla Mirch. I will add all those recipes one by one. But at this point we're doing the fried one. So ginger. We are not totally cooking it. We're not totally making them brown or making them tender. I'm adding tomatoes. We want to see those onions in there. If you overcook them, you won't be able to see. We're adding our salt. We're adding our turmeric powder. Today we are not adding a green chili pepper. So I'm adding red. It gives a nice color and it looks pretty when you're eating with paratha or chapati. Look at the color. Color is so beautiful. Okay, so now we're gonna cook our potatoes first. We are adding our potatoes in the mixture first. We're gonna let it cook for a little. Then we're gonna add our bell pepper. It's basically kind of fried potato sabji, but taste is so delicious after you cook it. If you are making paratha and you're eating with that, or you're eating with chapati, and just like so delicious. We're not adding any spice yet, because if you add spice in here, then sometime your sabji or methi or whatever in the pan stick to the pan more than it usually. We're gonna cook for a little bit. I think I'm gonna cover it and cook for a little bit, then I will add the bell peppers in there. So we're gonna cover it and cook. Okay, let's check it. Alright, so now we can see excess oil, and I think my potato is half, almost like little bit cooked, not like half done. But at this point I'm gonna add the bell pepper in there. So we're gonna mix it well. Oh, look at that. I like the color, how it is. I used one potato and 2 bell peppers for this. You can use less or more if you like it. But right now I'm gonna add my garam masala and the what it called, the methi seeds, the methi leaves. Sorry, it's green fenugreek leaves. Okay, so I'm gonna add it. You don't have to add it, but I feel like I'm not using cilantro in this specific sabji. Looks very beautiful, and now it's gonna add the extra fragrance in there. You don't have to, because myself I like the bell pepper flavor by itself is so good. I feel like it's amazing, but you can add a touch of extra if you want to. All right, so now we mix it everything in there, and we're gonna cook it and cover it a little bit so we can cook it more. We don't want to be like totally mushy. Okay, we'll be back. Alrighty, let's check it. Okay, oh my god, looks very pretty. And now we need to just check it if it's cooked. As long as our potato is done, that means our bell pepper is done too. Because I do not like my bell pepper mushy, real mushy, and I think it's good. I like it a little bit crunchy, not like, I don't like overcooked, the bell pepper especially. And it looks just cooked, and our potato is done. Look at that, and smell is amazing. And I am gonna let it cook for 1 minute because I want to make them super dry, but it's not gonna be. Otherwise, it's all done. So I higher my heat a little bit. It's still on medium, but when I was covering and cooking, it was a little bit lower than medium. Look at that. Oh my god, this looks so amazing. For bell pepper, green bell pepper especially, I do not want to use tons of ingredient because I like the flavor and the smell of the bell pepper is so amazing, and especially when you're eating with paratha, it's just so yummy. Alright, so our sabji is ready and let's plate it. Okay, here is our Shimla Mirch or green bell pepper potato curry ready to eat. You can eat with plain paratha, puri, naan or rice. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in comment section. I will try to answer your question. I will see you with the new video. Until then, enjoy.